shut off my phone just to stop people from harassing me. Are you getting calls from people in text?
Trampoline flew out of our backyard.
Like but that's cool. There you go.
Oh.
It's okay, right?
Yeshua Levi. Yeshua Levi. You know what the word is for you, Joshua? Be strong and courageous. That's what Moses said. God told Joshua, be strong.
I want to catch it.
But it's crazy, the wind. Why doesn't it just
There
take
it
it
goes. It's
and
caught
send it clear into Ruttenberg Park, you know?
Well, because it's trapped on Luigi's fence right now, and that's why. See the panel that's split.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's caught there, and that's why it's gonna break loose, or it's gonna tear his fence down. Because it wants to, I mean, it was enough to break completely. There it goes.
Oh.
There it goes.
Oh.
It's still a catch, man.
Oh my.
Yeah, I mean, I almost wanted to go up there and cut that band. Yeah. And then it goes and crashes into someone's house.
By more houses,
Yeah.
You secure the band somehow.
Yeah, just like we secured it in the first place.
That's where it is.
Yeah, see, we're not in the eye yet, man.
Mm-hmm.
But so we're like, I don't know,
Yeah,
can't
there's
tell
a
from the,
bell.
I can't tell. So now that I can't tell the, that's the.
I see, it's okay, baby.
So we're like right in there.
So man, if it would speed up.
Yeah.
What time is it?
It's 1:14.
Okay, right when they said 1 o'clock.
Hey, Lou.
Are they saying it's making landfall at a certain
Hang on. Hang on. Nala was spying on us and she ran.
Here's the flood in the roads. Yeah, by the way, this is Hurricane Ian.
You're doing good, baby.
It's not quite easy to see because of the raindrops. Can't. Jeez.
You're not standing there, please. If you want to stand in the window, you can. Just move it. If you want to, next time you go over there.
Oh, forget that. Man. Oh my gosh. Well, sorry, Luigi.
It is crazy.
This is Hurricane Ian. Or is it Ian?
Ian.
Ian, okay.
We could call it whatever we want. Look at all the branches in the
Oh, yeah.
Luigi's yard. Boy, we're just dumping on Luigi's yard with all our stuff. I'm sorry. I wish that the trampoline was there and it would just kind of go against this house and just stay there and not go any further. This is why you don't go outside during a hurricane. You can get impaled with something.
Yeah. Oh, and this is our new puppy, Levi.
Yeah.
Am I zoomed in? What the heck?
It's not fun having you puppy during a hurricane.
Face the camera, baby. Yeah, we got him but how long have we had him? Like almost 3 weeks?
Yeah, 3 weeks.
Yeah, and he's like 10 weeks.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Literally. And it was in the backyard, and then it flies out of there. Like my sister sees something move to the right out of the backyard, and then we realize it's a trampoline. Like it's completely gone out of the backyard, and then while it's going this way, it smashes our shed, the roof, like just like a little bit. But yeah, this is crazy. It's gonna get worse. So yeah. Well, bye.